In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on your photos that you wish to add. You can also select Gallery. Look for your photos over here, click on them and hit Add at the top right corner. If you can't find your photos this way, click on Gallery again. Select Folders and look for them over here by clicking on Images at the top, selecting one of those apps, or clicking on those two lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. After finding your photo, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!